Back when Google launched the Pixel 3 smartphone, the company had also released a new update to its camera application that added a new feature called Top Shot. The idea behind this feature is to capture about 1.5 seconds worth of still images both before and after you tap that shutter button on the camera app. This results in about 10 additional photos being saved each time you take a picture, but it's an incredibly useful tool when you want to take a photo of an object that is moving very fast. And for a feature that is advertised so prominently, I was surprised to learn that this is something Google is disabling by default on the non-pro version of the Google Pixel 6 smartphone. Now, from what I'm reading, this is a feature that's actually turned on by default on the Pixel 6 Pro, which makes me even more confused since there isn't much of a hardware difference between the two devices. But maybe I have this wrong. If you have a Google Pixel 6 Pro, use the comment section below to let me know. Still, I wanted to remind all Google Pixel 6 users that this is a very useful feature if you find yourself taking photos of moving objects with the camera. And it's something that you should turn on right now so you don't find yourself scrambling for the toggles when you really need it most. So to find this feature, we can go ahead and open up the camera application. And then you can either tap on this settings icon at the top left, or we can do a swipe down to bring up this floating overlay card. And right here you should see that Top Shot feature, which again for me by default is disabled. But we can set this to automatic if you want. With this set to automatic, Google attempts to determine whether or not it believes you want this feature on, or whether it can benefit your photo by enabling it on. However, a lot of people are still finding that the Google camera is not taking a top shot when this feature is set to automatic. So if you want to just turn this on always, set it to this option so that we can see Top Shot is now set to on. Now whenever we take a photo, and we look at that photo, we can see that there is a top shot happening right here thanks to that icon right there. You can even go into the Google Photos application, find one of these top shot photos, and go over to the Motion tab so that you can pick exactly which of those frames and which of those still images you would like to save as an individual. So yeah, I'm really surprised this feature is not enabled by default on the Google Pixel 6. At least I was surprised that it was not enabled for my device, which again was just recently reset. So let me know in the comments section below what you think of this Top Shot feature, if this feature is enabled for you automatically, and let me know which device you are currently running.